We're here with Factory Madera DNA team rider Nick Lucas. Gonna do a bike check with him. Nick, tell us a little bit about your bike.
Well, we got the new profile spine drive spider. It's the 104. It's the BMX version. They come in for fixed gears. They come in for mountain bikes. And what it is it's so if you want the no Bosch cranks, you don't have to put a spider bolt in there. It splines in with the spine drive, so it goes right on the spindle. And of course, you got all the Factory Madera parts. You got the stem, the Madera stem, Madera hubs, all the Madera stuff, seat. Got all tie drivers, tie bolts. Cyclecraft hooked me up for up with a custom frame designed by me and him, whatever specs that we wanted. Also my custom Madera seat post that I drilled out and made a quick release. You know, the outboard bearings, they're so sick. The more you tighten down on these bolts, the better they spin. Spin like gold. Amazing. Running the Tektro brakes. Tektro hooked this up. Maxxis DTH tires. Sun NB rims. You know, I mean, the bike is dialed. Answer hooked us up with the new sickle forks. They're not carbon fiber. They're actually aluminum. So stiff, no flex, light. You know, it's all around just probably the best bike I've ever rode. All the parts are, you know, amazing. And you know, just want to throw out some special thanks to Gus, you know, Eric from DNA hooking us up, real good. The Cyclecraft dudes for hooking me and Fro up. You know, Ray from Fly, and all those guys are real good guys. And I just want to say thanks and for all the support.
All right, this has been Bike Check with Factory Madera DNA rider Nick Lucas.